Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are talking about products that I repurchased / products that I have more shades of, so if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. I saw that Sarah Rose filmed a video like this one and I was instantly intrigued and I wanted to film it myself, so I will link down below her video. And as well, if you're curious about this makeup, I filmed it. It should be already live. It's a drugstore starter kit, so I will link that video down below. Let's actually start with primer, and this one is the Ordinary High-Adherence Silicone Primer, and this one is my second bottle. I actually changed my mind a bit about this product. At first I thought this is an amazing primer, but right now I think it's just a good primer. Because right now I prefer other primers, and this one doesn't work with all my foundations. Don't get me wrong, I still think it's a good primer, but I'm not sure that I'm gonna repurchase it the third time. For foundation, I actually have two. The first one is the Born to Glow by NYX, and I have the shade Vanilla, and I'm wearing it today. I really like it. It's a great foundation. So even though the name says Born to Glow, I don't think this foundation is very glowy. If you have very dry skin and you are not using a very hydrating primer, I don't think this will be glowy enough for you. But if you are using a primer, I think this foundation could stretch for a lot of skin types and I really like it. And for the second foundation, as you can see, I have right now multiple bottles. This is the Fit Me by Maybelline, the matte and poreless. I have 110 and 105 as shades. I love this foundation. I always have it in my collection and it's just a staple. For concealers, I have two as well. The first one is the Liquid Camouflage by Catrice, and this one is the shade 005. I think I went through 3 tubes of this one. At some point this one was my favorite, so I just repurchase it, and it's just great. And the second concealer that I kinda repurchased is this Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I have the shade Butterscotch. That's the reason I'm saying kinda, because this is a very dark color for my skin tone. I wanted to have this concealer in a darker shade in my collection just to mix in with other concealers that are lighter, because I knew this formula is just amazing. I had a full size in my shade and I used that concealer to death, but I needed to declutter it because it was so old and in that tube was so much product, so I couldn't finish it up, but I loved it and it's just an amazing concealer. For brows, I'm gonna be super fast because this is my favorite routine right now and I did repurchase these products a bunch. This is the NYX Eyebrow Powder Pencil and I have the shade Taupe. Then we have the NYX the Brow Glue and the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. I really like the combo of these 3 products, so of course I'm gonna repurchase them again and again. For cheeks, I only have this one to mention because it's very hard to go through cheek products. I usually don't buy multiple shades of the same formula because I like tasting multiple formulas, and I don't really repurchase a product because I'm not finishing it. But for this product, this is the Benefit Hoola bronzer. I had a mini and I think I hit pan or something, and then I decided to repurchase it because it was old. I really like this bronzer, it's a cult favorite as well. So I think this is the only product for cheeks, but yeah. For eye pencils, I have 2 formulas. The first one is the Sephora ones. I have a purple one, that one is in my project pen. I have this one that's black and it's called Black Lace, and then the green one, which is called Waterfall. I really like them, so there's a reason I have multiple of, but they are really great. And then the other formula is the LA Girl Shockwave, and I have the shade Fresh and the shade Vivid. And for this one, I'm not that happy because I bought this one first, and this Fresh shade is just really impressive. And then because this one was so great, I decided to buy the purple one. But this one is not that good quality, it's not that pigmented. I still use it a bunch, but I'm kind of sad that it's not the same as this one, but they are both pretty good. For the next product, I have the NYX Glitter Primer, and I really like this primer, so this is my second bottle of it. And then for mascara, I need to mention this one. This is the Essence Lash Princess, and I repurchased this purple tube like 10 times. I really like it. Let's mention a setting spray as well. This is the Hello Good Stuff by Essence, and this one is my second bottle of it, and it's really great. And I'm using it mostly for spraying my eye brushes, and it's just perfect for that. Let's move into lips, and for that I need to recommend the lip liners from NYX. They are so good, and I have 3 shades right now. I have Nude Truffle, and then Whipped Caviar, and then Cabaret, and they are so good. I really like them. I finished some other lip pencils from them, and they are just great. For lipsticks, I have these ones. These are the liquid lipsticks from Dose of Colors, and I have the shade Lazy Daisy. This was my first one, and then I saw that they have a stunning orange lipstick, and this is Old Flame. These are my favorite liquid lipstick formula, and they are so comfortable and so beautiful. I really love them so much. And then I have these NYX Soft Matte Lip Creams, and I have 4 right now, and I went through a bunch of them. I really like them. They are affordable and really good quality. I have the shade Abu Dhabi, Sao Paulo, which is a very punchy color. Then I have Cannes, which is another nude, and I have Madrid, which is a very dark and yummy red. I really love these. And to finish this video up, let's mention 3 eyeshadow formulas that I really like and I have multiple palettes from. So the first one is BH Cosmetics, and I really like BH. I bought first the Lost in Los Angeles, and then I saw that they have this blue palette, and I really was looking for a blue palette, and this was great. So let me show you how they are looking. This is the Lost in Los Angeles, and this is a pastel palette. I love it so much. And then this is the palette Do Not Disturb, and it looks something like this. These shadows are pretty affordable and they are so good quality, so I really need to recommend them. The second brand is Little Cosmetics. I bought first this palette and then I went back and bought more shades because these are singles and I really like having some singles in my collection as well. So this is the first palette. I will list down below every shade in here, and I really like this palette. It's so stunning. I really like that I'm the one picking the shades, but if you don't like that, they have some pre-made palettes as well. And this is the second palette that I bought. The eyeshadows are really good quality, and Little Cosmetics is a German indie brand and I really like everything about them, so I need to recommend it. And the last brand is Natasha Denona. I have 5 palettes in here. Let's mention them really fast. The Natasha Denona Mini Love, the Mini Retro. I have the Coral palette as well. The Metropolis palette that's now discontinued. And the newer palette to my collection is the Pastel palette, and I really like this one as well. They are so good quality. And if you want just to try the formula, these mini ones are just really great as well. I did videos on pretty much all of these palettes, so I will link those videos down below if you want to see looks. And yeah, this was the video. If you like it and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give a like, and I will see you next time.